And I looked up and I seen the one just coming right at the decoy. And then I seen the other one. We walked right by him. Good morning. We weren't planning on the rain this morning, but it's raining, so we came out and decided to try it anyway. We roosted these turkeys last night. There's 4 or 5 toms. We didn't see any hens. And so we came in, we're about 200 yards from the roost, and we're just hoping that they fly down this morning and we can call them in. We just saw the yelp a little bit ago and they gobbled back, so hopefully they're fired up and ready to play with the decoy this morning. So stay tuned and see if we can shoot one. He did now.
That hit solid.
We walked right by him. He was snuck in there.
I thought he looked hurt.
Yeah, I didn't think he'd go anywhere, but I didn't.
Never even looked.
I come back here. I was just walking along the edge, and I like,
Why didn't you
whoa!
just jump on him?
I didn't want him to take off into the bushes. So I was like, I was back out, and here, let's see if I can go get him.
My arrow's sticking out his back. So
You know, your arrow's sticking out both sides.
sticking in the ground.
He's still alive, you idiot. Oh, he's still alive. Fred.
You gotta just.
How do you make sure they're dead? You can unscrew your broadhead out.
It's got a gaping hole in the side of his body.
I know, that's why I cannot figure out how that's where it went in. My broadhead would have went in right there. I mean, look at that hole.
It's a little low.
I mean, that's an artery right there.
No, it's a feather. Looks like somebody trimmed his beard.
How do you supposed
I don't know, but I wouldn't do that so you don't get all bloody.
Now it stops raining. Yep.
One is not.